This is Marco Equipment Company showcasing our PowerBoss Atlas industrial rider sweeper today. This is an all-steel propane powered industrial rider sweeper. It can be used in many different applications. Today we're sweeping through a steel manufacturing plant in Southern California. This sweeper has a 16 cubic foot hopper, a very powerful dust suppression system, in addition to a 62-inch wide sweeping path. This is a clamshell design with a safety view window for operator safety and protection. Again, this machine sits on an all-steel frame, all steel panels, powered by a Kubota propane engine with 360-degree access for easy, simple, fast maintenance. Please contact us for a free on-site demonstration. Thank you for watching.